You've heard the term restaurant systems. What the hell does that mean? And oh, by the way, where do I start? I'm going to share with you the foundation to all restaurant systems in about 2 seconds. Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters, creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. I'm the systems guy, the restaurant systems guy. Heck, if you're on my YouTube channel for the first time, or you've been visiting back, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, like this video, because guess what? I bring out a systems video on a weekly basis. But where do we start? What is the foundation of it? Well, let me walk you through the 3 things you've got to have when we talk about foundational restaurant operations. That's Restaurant 101, that's first. That's hot food hot, cold food cold, clean, safe worker environment for guest employees, wow customer service, incredible product. We're in the hospitality business, creating memories. So Restaurant 101 first. Next comes checklists and cash controls. Checklists and cash controls to create a culture in our restaurants where the details matter. Now, I'm not going to talk about too much about cash controls, making sure every penny of profit makes it into the bank. I want to focus on the foundation to all systems, and that's checklists. See, checklists allow you to impose your will without being there. They set up your standards for your business, from cleanliness to service standards, to product quality, to line checks, to HACCP and critical control points, right? Making sure that your food is safe, to portion control and prep lists, to scheduling, to cutting. Like, you can checklist everything. It allows you to impose your will without being there. Heck, my son, when he was in high school, worked for one of the Yum Brands locations, 14,000 restaurants. One of them was a Taco Bell that he worked for here in Phoenix, Arizona, Peoria to be exact. No owners there, but he would run through the checklist of everything from the rehydrated meat to how they clean the restaurant. And a manager came through and just checked off that they did those things because the standards were set. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, as an independent operator, if you're the first thing that came into your mind was, we have checklists, I can't get anybody to use them. Checklists suck. They don't work. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it's because your checklists suck. They're not detailed enough, and you're holding the wrong person accountable. See, in my world, I want you to think about checklists are the foundation to all of your systems. Because if I can't get a manager to use a checklist, what makes you think they're going to take inventory Sunday night accurately and on time? See, if I'm going to hold my management team accountable to those checklists and they decide to let employees go home without doing that side work, then they must get it done. That we create a culture of close to open, that each manager has each other's back. Do that a number of times, and guess what? Your managers are going to make sure those standards are met. That's why checklists are so critical. They set your standards. They allow you to impose your will without being there. They implement accountability without being an ass. So I'm going to tell you right now, if you've had success with checklists or challenges, do me a favor, put it in the comment section below, because I'm telling you right now, checklists are critical to you and your success.